Welcome back to our channel, the place where we explore all things related to health and wellness. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: high blood pressure. If you or someone you know has been diagnosed with high blood pressure, it's crucial to understand how your diet can play a significant role in managing this condition. In this video, we'll be talking about the foods you should avoid if you have high blood pressure. So, stay tuned and let's dive in. Understanding high blood pressure. Before we dive into the foods to avoid, let's quickly recap what high blood pressure is and why it's essential to manage it. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a condition where the force of blood against the artery walls is consistently too high. This can lead to serious health issues like heart disease, stroke, and kidney problems. 2. The role of diet. One of the most effective ways to manage high blood pressure is by making dietary changes. The foods you eat can have a significant impact on your blood pressure levels. Let's start by discussing some foods you should limit or avoid entirely. 2. High sodium foods. Number 1 on our list is high sodium foods. Sodium, a component of salt, can cause your body to retain excess water, increasing blood pressure. Foods high in sodium include processed foods like canned soups, fast food, chips, and even some condiments like soy sauce. It's crucial to read food labels and opt for low-sodium alternatives whenever possible. 3. Excessively processed foods. Processed foods are often laden with unhealthy fats, sodium, and hidden sugars. These foods can contribute to obesity and high blood pressure. Some examples of processed foods to avoid include sugary cereals, packaged snacks, and microwavable meals. Instead, opt for whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. 4. Red meat and high-fat dairy. Red meat and high-fat dairy products can be culprits when it comes to high blood pressure. They are typically high in saturated fats, which can raise cholesterol levels and increase your risk of hypertension. Try substituting these with lean cuts of meat, poultry, or plant-based alternatives like tofu and legumes. 5. Sugary beverages. Sugary beverages like soda, energy drinks, and even fruit juices can contribute to high blood pressure. They are not only high in sugar but can also lead to weight gain. Opt for water, herbal teas, or naturally flavored water to stay hydrated without the added sugars. 6. Caffeine and alcohol. While moderate consumption of caffeine and alcohol is generally considered safe for most people, excessive intake can raise blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure, it's essential to monitor your caffeine and alcohol consumption and consult with your healthcare provider if needed. 7. High potassium foods. Now, let's talk about foods you might have heard are healthy but can be problematic if you have high blood pressure. High potassium foods, like bananas and potatoes, can raise potassium levels in your blood. For some people, this can be beneficial, but for those with kidney issues, it's crucial to limit high potassium foods. 8. Licorice. Another unexpected item on our list is licorice. While it may seem harmless, licorice contains a compound called glycyrrhizin, which can lead to sodium and fluid retention, potentially increasing blood pressure. If you love licorice, opt for the kind with reduced glycyrrhizin content or enjoy it in moderation. In conclusion, managing high blood pressure through diet is a crucial part of a healthy lifestyle. By avoiding or limiting high sodium and processed foods, watching your intake of red meat and high-fat dairy, and being mindful of your consumption of sugary beverages, caffeine, and alcohol, you can take significant steps toward better blood pressure control. Remember, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian for personalized advice on managing your high blood pressure through diet. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. Thank you for tuning into our channel. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.